Hi, just another DaveCAD screen capture test, this time using my head in the window here. So let me know what you think of this one. I've got it tiny, like I can make it, bigger. I can expand it like this, but there's like some point where you're covering up too much of the post-it note here. So I think I'll just try and make it smaller like that. But a lot of people said, oh, they want to see my facial expressions as I'm drawing stuff and things like that. Anyway, this is a bit different to what I did before. I can still like pan around my DaveCAD and stuff like that. Oh, see, I reckon that's a bug. I reckon there's a bug in there, that bug in Smooth Draw. If you don't know what I'm using a program, a freeware paint program called Smooth Draw, and it's over in another window over that way. But I'm not looking at that window because I've got to look at the camera. So what I'm actually looking at, how I shot my video on my main channel, that Digital Logic one, I was looking at the Smooth Draw window. Because, well, why not? And your screen capture, is buggered off somewhere else. But now I'm actually looking at my screen capture window, which is XSplit. I'm using XSplit to capture and insert the image here. Hello. From my C920 webcam. So I'm using that to insert, and I'm still recording with my Samsung mic, of course, just to get decent quality audio. You wouldn't use the webcam one anyway. So now I've got to look at the capture window. So I'm actually technically, let's go in. Oh no, yeah, I'm in draw mode now. Okay, so smiley face, there we go. That's about the limit of my artistic ability, really. I'm afraid that's about the limit of it. So I can now I can select, here's your problem. Is that right? No, I'll tell you what's happening here. The Wacom tablet, which I'm using, here it is. The Wacom tablet has got these 4 function buttons to either side, to either corner, like that, and they map. The Wacom software maps those to Windows keyboard keys, and Smooth Draw, intercepts those keys. But I'm not focused on Smooth Draw at the moment. I'm focused on the XSplit window. So if I go over here, and now I'm focused on Smooth Draw, now if I press my function buttons, it should allow me to choose my eraser. Yep. And erase the little dude's ear. Okay, and then I can switch back, push the button, and switch back, and I can push this button. Oh, there it goes again. What? So F2? No, so there's something with F2, because I've got like F2 mapped to, that's just the screen. Yeah, there's the Smooth Draw program, by the way. And yeah, it maps these things over here. It maps, no, the colors are F1. Yeah, colors are F1 and F2. So F2 must have been intercepted by XSplit and put back in, like, anyway, it's bloody annoying. So it's more complicated to capture. It's not as easy as you think to actually get all this working, to put your face in there and capture and screen capture in real time. That allows you to hello? No, I can't even... oh, there we go. We can draw now. Okay. It's got a beard. There we go. So, yeah. I can choose my eraser again. Yeah, there we go. It's all working. Hunky-dory. But, yeah, there seems to be a problem with the key mapping. But, it's solvable. And I'm capturing in 1280 by 720. By the way, which is not full HD. I don't see any reason to capture it full HD, and you actually can't, because otherwise you'd be capturing the entire desktop. You'd be capturing the entire desktop like that, and you don't want that. So I'm only capturing a small, I'm only capturing this window here on this particular desktop. So that's how I'm actually doing this. And yeah, anyway, it's not easy, but let me know what you think if you want my head inserted. But look, I mean, you know, the only way to make it better would be to have like green screen in the background and automatically, you know, like, but I hate the green screen look. I don't even know if XSplit can do it and what you have to do to insert, like, so it just shows my head. Yeah, ideally I'd frame this better. It's sitting on top of my monitor. I'd need another webcam mount that brings the camera closer that just shows my head. So it's, you know, it'd be like that or something like that, you know. So I'd be drawing like this. Anyway, does that like line up? Because I'm looking at this, right? Because I've got to watch just below the camera. So if I'm this close, hang on, let me get back. So if I'm this close, okay, and I actually go in there and, oh, geez, that's a, was supposed to be a battery, but it ain't. Like I'm looking at the post-it note, so I'm not actually looking at the camera, so I don't know how that's going to work out, and the camera has to be slightly offset, so I've got to set my window just under the camera and then, you know, look in the right direction. I think that's probably it. Anyway, so yeah, I don't know. Can we insert a switch in there? There we go. And I can erase it. Woohoo! Yay! Look at that. I like it's tricky. It's tricky. But yeah, let me know what you think. Is this working? I don't know. I haven't played it back yet. But yeah, let me know. Thanks. Catch you next time. Go. Stop.